Hey guys, Balls Out Ball Haul here. Gonna check out the new KrakenRC X2 chassis. Here it is, straight from the man himself. Let's get this sucker opened up and check it out. See what comes in the package here. Instruction sheet, included hardware. The only modification we got to make is cutting off the little tab here on the stock front bumper. All you got to do is just trim it up just like that. You just trimming off that little hook. So here's the instructions. Supplied screws. And the chassis itself. Check that out. Beautiful. Look how thick. Before I start putting it on my ride, I want to get it dressed up with some of my sponsors. So I'm going to take a little bit of rubbing alcohol here. Clean up the side. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so I got it all stickered up like I wanted it. Nice canvas to put whatever you like on there. Turned out really good. I like it. Now we're going to get started on cleaning up the other chassis, getting ready to roll. Alright, on the KrakenRC X2 chassis instructions, it tells you got to cut off this little hook. Here's an unmodified bottom part of the bumper there, skid plate. You can see there it's still got the hook on there. This one here I've already modified. Just cut off that little hook. You can see the difference there. That's all you got to do. Still holds it in place. But because of the thickness of the X2 chassis, you do need to modify that off so it'll fit properly. Just wanted to show you that. Front end pretty much stay intact, like so. There's the front end off. There you go. Alright, take the new KrakenRC chassis, supplied in the kit. So 4 longer screws to hold the main chassis to the rear chassis. You can see here the difference, because again, the KrakenRC chassis is thicker, so you need the longer bolts. Thanks for supplying those. I do like to use some Loctite on there. As you can see, there's no fitment issues whatsoever. Everything's good, plenty of clearance. Ready to reassemble. So far so good. There it is. Let me put this back on. Alright. We got the front plate, the front of the chassis installed. Like I said, it just slides back into place from the new chassis. Everything lines up beautifully. So now I'm going to take the supplied screws and screw in the back 2 plate, the back 2 screws that screw down to the bolt pin. Tighten it down. There we go. I'm going to put the radio box back in. Alright, let's go ahead and put the front bumper on for the T. Like I said, Rob is sending out to those that are using the front sway bars the longer screws. These are the ones that are provided. They're about 5 millimeters too short to be used with the sway bar, with the anti-sway bar. So just got to contact Rob and he'll get you squared away. Alright, now we've got the sway bar on. So I have to turn it off there. I'm a little bit of a problem with it, but not because of the chassis. Just because I'm putting it all back together. There it goes. Alright. Get the sway bar on top. Like so. I'm going to put the bottom bumper on. Again, there's the one without the little hook on there. Guys, that's it. I just got to put the muffler back on, the exhaust, I'm sorry. Bolt those down. We're back 100%. Got to put the rest of it back together with the rock guard. But guys, there's the new chassis. KrakenRC. Damn near indestructible. Beautiful. Thanks, Rob. KrakenRC. Beautiful piece of work. Alright, I got it all together. Got the pipe on, got the plates back on, the front end is done. So there you go, finished product, ready to race. KrakenRC chassis, X2.